Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream two-tier ombre cake. I'm going to show you also how to make that realistic sand, and those beautiful flowers are actually in the previous video that I made Wednesday. So if you guys want to see how I made this a beautiful ombre effect, well, keep on watching. first of all, I obviously baked my cakes and then did my first crumb coat, and then I did that with both cakes, and then I went ahead and I prepared my buttercream. So for my buttercream, I simply used 3 colors. One was turquoise, yellow, and pink. And basically what I did is that afterwards, so that you have that nice blend effect, I recreated another color by mixing the turquoise and the yellow together, which kind of did like a green, and then the pink with the yellow, which kind of did like a coral color, like a peachy, almost orangey color. So I did that. So at first what I did is that I started from the bottom and I did all my colors, and then with the first cake, I started to scrape off. And I didn't like how it was really separated, because at first I simply used 2 colors and I figured, oh, both colors are gonna mix, and it didn't. And I didn't like the effect. So what I did is that I repiped the cake, and that's why I mixed the both colors together. So I redid a bowl with the turquoise and the yellow together to make green. So then what I did is that I did turquoise, that like greenish, and then yellow, and then I went ahead and like I smudged it before, yeah, in between, and then I went ahead and scraped it off, and it made that nice ombre effect. And I did that for the top as well. When you place a second tier on top of a bottom tier, always make sure to support it. So I use bubble straws. You can also use paper straws if you want, to just make sure that everything is like holds together. So to create the realistic sound, you can use maple cookies that you crush. You can also use lotus cookies, that's what I use. And whatever cookies that are tea cookies, also whatever cookies that are kind of like brown, when you crush them and you place them around your cake, it just looks like sand, and it's actually really yummy. And then for the flowers, I just placed the flowers with a little buttercream, and that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.